Hey, I'm John with US Fitness Products, and today we're going to go over Life Fitness's Row HX. It's a water rower with a unique tank. This is actually a tank within a tank. So when you move water up into this top portion, you're actually not moving it. When you move the water down to here, that's the amount of water that you're moving, which you can adjust here. All right, so that would be taking as much water out as possible. This would be putting as much water as possible down below. So you've got essentially 4 different levels here. All right, we'll come back to that in a moment. Let me show you here how to adjust the feet and the straps. So if I want to adjust the size, the length, I do that here by pulling this out, dropping this down. Typically you're going to try to go for getting the strap across the widest part of your foot, which is about right there for me. So I'm going to adjust this, put this at 2 as well. All right, tighten it down, cinch that. All right, so now I'm all strapped in. So you can see the water moving, that's my resistance. Also, you can make this a lot harder by going a little faster. So the faster you pull, the harder the water will resist you. Okay. And then let me show you some of the console features here. As I mentioned, we'd come back to this later. So you have 4 different levels here that you can change as far as the amount of water that you're moving around. That, you're going to keep track of that here. The way that you keep track of that, if I set myself for 4 over here, I'm going to use this button here to change that to 4. That's just so that I'm getting credit for moving more water. You also have a heart rate function. You're going to have to get a strap for that. The rower itself does not come with a heart rate strap. This is the distance that you have gone. This is the calories per hour. These are your watts. These are your strokes per minute. This is just your elapsed time, and this is your time it will take you to complete 500 meters. And that's the console. And when you're all done working out, one thing that's nice about this rower is it will stand up. Always slide the seat forward just so that it's not banging when you stand up the rower. So I can stand up the rower, I can roll it to wherever I need it to go, and then stand it up out of the way. If you have any questions, drop us a comment, visit us at usfitness.com, or give us a call.